Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing two toys. Two toys. But anyway, first I have a special guest. I bet you can already guess who it is. It's Mark Samuel. Hey guys. But anyway, all of his swords and guns and stuff are back there instead of where he usually keeps them. Because this actually isn't the same room. Okay? Here's Rosie, my tortoise. But anyway, so we're not here to talk about the room. But I am here to talk about stuff though. Hang on 1 minute, just let me think. Okay, so just before we get this video started, I just want to let you guys know that I might actually be starting a different show with my toys where I don't show my face at all. So stay tuned for that. I'll do that if I remember, because I also promised you guys a toy review that I forgot to do. So, but anyway, that's all I have to do. Well, say. All I have to talk about. Oh, that's my bed. What? Okay. What? Sorry guys, I just have to plug this in. Hey. Here guys, I'll just pause it. Okay. So guys, I already tested the camera, so I know that it's not gonna fall down. And I know that you'll be able to see. Okay? So I'll be right back. So now it's time for the first person I'm going to be reviewing. I'm going to be reviewing this basic Series 70 Samoa Joe. So now this is Samoa Joe. Now, this is Samoa Joe. From NXT. And it's really cool that I got this figure because he's it's a cool thing that I got this figure because now he's on Monday Night Raw. But anyway, so this is Kevin Owens. I mean, not Kevin Owens. Samoa Joe. But anyway, and so we'll start with the face. This is his face. I'm just kidding. This So this is what his face looks like. This is what his ugly beard looks like. So he's got like kind of a goatee, and he's got black hair. It's very, his hair is like very detailed. Like, really, it looks better when it's not on camera. It's like really detailed, the hair. And then, so now we'll go to his freaking fat torso. So this is what his torso looks like. Pasta. So this is what his torso looks like. He has no abs because he's a fat man. He has no abs. Oh yeah, and by the way, on my wrestling show that I'm going to be making, Samoa Joe probably will be on there. Oh yeah, by the way, the wrestling show might also, the first episode might also be tomorrow, if I have time. But anyway, if I do have time tomorrow, I'll make like another episode tomorrow, if I have time, that like says, like what the match is going to be. So. Okay, but, okay. Yeah. So he's got like the tape on his hair. Right here. Thank you. Sorry, guys. He's got like the tape on his hand right there. It's actually pretty nice, but they could have like the elbow pad to put on there. And then, so since this is from NXT, it's only appropriate for him to have the NXT colors. Yellow and black, the NXT colors. And then he's got some nice kicking boots here. But anyway, so guys, that's it. Now I'm going to move on to the next one and review him. Oh, by the way, the next one comes with an accessory. Let me see. Let me show them. Hang on, guys. 1 second. Wait 1 second. And yes, these are mine. They're not Moxon's. Or Mox Zombie Hunters. And so, well, this is Stone Cold Steve Austin. Stone Cold. And that's the bottom line, 'cause Stone Cold said so. So anyway, so this is Stone Cold. So as you can see, he's bald, and he's got like a brown beard and mustache. So yeah, that's pretty good. Cool, and he's like smiling. And then, so he's got his like golden knee braces on. And then black knee pads. And them, like under the knee braces. And then he's got his cool classic Stone Cold Steve Austin black boots. Then he's got his black tights, which he pretty much always wears. So and then there's that tattoo on the side that he had. That he has. So, but anyway, well, guys, that's the last figure for today. But I hope oh wait, I forgot to show the accessory. And then he comes with this belt. But if you guys could please leave in the comments what the name of Stone Cold Steve Austin's belt is, because I don't remember. I know it's like the Scotland Championship or something, but please tell me what it is. Alright. So, well, yeah, bye. But, so, this is the end of the video. 1 second though. And this is the end of the video. So, yeah.
Make sure you
This
guys
was
like and subscribe.
Yeah,
You're just
and
gonna
because Stone Cold said so. And also, don't forget to subscribe to Mock Zombie Hunters channel. He does like games. Like,
now that I got my phone, I can.
yeah, he does games now.
Also, guys, I do broadcast on Xbox One, so you guys can go and join me at Mock Zombie Hunter. Is my gamer tag, and I do broadcasts.
So anyway, he does like video games and broadcasting. He does all kinds of stuff with Xboxes, and he reviews those things.
Cole, you almost did it again.
He reviews those things up at the back, the Nerf guns and then the sword. Actually, we reviewed that one together, but okay. You can hang on for 1 second. Rosie said bye. As soon as I walked over, Rosie was like, so anyway, like Mock Zombie Hunter said, please like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye guys. And also stay tuned for that wrestling match series thing too. Actually, it probably is going to start tomorrow. I'll make a video letting you guys know. But anyway, bye.